friends. In this video, I am going to review Fire-Boltt Combat Bluetooth calling smartwatch. It features Bluetooth calling and comes with several health tracking features like a heart rate sensor, blood pressure monitor, sleep tracker and SpO2 monitor. I purchased it from Flipkart for Rs 13.99 only. At this price point this is a great deal because of its design and build quality. Inside the box, we get the watch, a magnetic charging cable and some documentation. Do not use fast charging adapters to charge this watch. Always use a 5-watt basic adapter for charging. Fire-Boltt Combat has a robust, shockproof, rectangular body. Because of a little bump, the metal top section will shield the screen from unintentional scratches. The polycarbonate back contains the charging port, sensors, speaker, and microphone for making calls. There are 2 control buttons on this device, and the sport button can be customized. It boasts a 1.95-inch HD screen with a resolution of 240 by 284 pixels. This vibrant bezel-less display allows users to enjoy clear visuals and easily navigate through various menus. The smartwatch supports Bluetooth calling, call history, and a quick dial pad, providing users with convenient communication options. With its inbuilt microphone and speaker, hands-free calling becomes effortless. Speaker quality is good. As for the call quality, I haven't faced any issue till now and the voice is very clear and audible. Screen brightness and touch response is also great. A number of smart functions are also available with the Fire-Boltt Combat, including music and camera controls, weather updates, notifications, and Find My Phone capabilities. It also features a sedentary reminder, breathing exercises, hydration reminder, and female health tracker. However, this watch lacks a calculator, games, and a calendar. Furthermore, the sensor readings and measurements are not very precise. The smartwatch's resilience to different climatic conditions is enhanced by its IP68 dust and water resistance, which contributes to its longevity and dependability. It has been in use by me for the last 3 weeks. The longevity of the battery is exceptional. You will receive approximately 3 days of battery backup with Bluetooth calling and 7 days with regular use. An excellent, reasonably priced smartwatch overall.